In this video, we'll learn the basics of still life in poster colors. So here are my brushes, water, palette and the colors. So let's start the video. So let's start with the formation of the colors. First is Prussian blue. I will mix black to it to make it a dark tone. The middle tone will be Prussian blue and the light tone will be light blue. So this is Prussian blue plus black. In every poster color painting or any painting, first we'll start with the making of the colors. So we always need the three shades, that is the dark tone, middle tone and the light tone. For the dark tone I have used Prussian blue and black, a mixture of Prussian blue and black. So for the middle tone I'm using only Prussian blue. So this is Prussian blue with different brush. So always use a variety of brushes for your paintings. It will enhance your painting, and always keep at least 2 glasses of water. So this is Prussian blue for the middle tone. And blending with poster colors is a super easy trick. So always use water for blending and blending will be done. So it's middle tone. And for the light tone I will use light blue color. And at last I will use white for the highlights. So follow the same steps. There are two methods of making dark tone, middle tone or light tone. So the first I've told you that use different shades or black for the dark tone. The other method is using water. So if you want to make light shades, use much water, and if you want to use if you want to make dark shades, then use very less water. So if you don't have that much shades also, you can make very much shades with water. So follow the same steps and always move your brush in only single direction. And if you have any query, any problem or anything to say, then you can surely comment in the comment section. I will surely reply your answers. In case you recreate this painting, then do tag me on my Instagram ID. The link of my Instagram ID is given in the description box, so please go and check that video. Now blend everything with water. So follow the same steps. If needed, you can also use little colors. Now again I'm using the middle tone, that is Prussian blue. After the completion of this video, you'll get to know that how beautiful it will look. So wait for the conclusion. As per the requirements, I'm again using light blue color. You can see now how I'm doing. I'm adding layer to it. So follow the same steps. For coloring the handle, I'm using the dark tone, that is Prussian blue plus black, and in the middle I will use Prussian blue, and at last I will use white for the highlights. Adding highlights is the most important part of a painting, so I'm using white to add highlights to my painting. Adding highlights just enhances your painting and it gives a realistic view to your painting. So use white for the highlights. Now I'm using a hair dryer to dry everything. If you don't have hair dryer, just wait for some time, it will dry automatically. Or sit under a fan. So sorry that I have not recorded this part. Actually my camera turned off and I was not aware of that. Sorry for that. So for the upper part use medium yellow and for the lower part use yellow ochre. Now I'm using red for the tomato. Again the same steps, red, primary red, and then little dark red, and then white for the highlights. So follow the same steps. For the shadows I'm using black. So follow the same steps and use very less water for this step. You can see now how I'm doing. Use very less water. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. In case you enjoyed the video, then give this video a thumbs up and enjoy the video.